Rickstar Club 306 star Tess Paris Dears at gmail.com 3 for 6245 013 for 722 for 27 3 for 951745 for 1 for thank you so much Po.
And you look, there is gold, white gold, yellow gold, and crystal inside. And this one too has gold and blue color. You look, there is a sparkling gold. You see, there is a big sparkling gold, there is a small sparkling gold. This one is big. You see, this one has big sparkling gold. You see how beautiful this old stone is. You look, the crystal jades inside. There is green, blue, you know. You look how beautiful this stone is. You see, there is gold inside, white gold, yellow gold. How nice. And this one too also have gold inside. You see how beautiful. All the stone that I took it from the river. Wow. And this is so green with crystal sparkling. You see? You see the sparkling crystal over there? Wow. You see? Look how beautiful this stone is. Wow. Hope I will have a sponsor to check all this kind of stone and what is inside. Really, I want to be a good jades or gems hunter. You look how beautiful. But I like more this one because this one has a lot of gold inside and it's sparkling. Wow, you see, there's like a diamond inside.